I'll let you in on a secret. There is a perfect workout that has cardio, calorie burn, strength building, athletic training, agility, mobility, balance, and flexibility. If you have 2 hours. Oh, you don't want to work out 2 hours a day? I didn't think so. How about 20 minutes? This is BODi LAVA, a non-stop fusion of athletic yoga and primal movement where the sweat doesn't stop for 20 straight minutes. Neither does the burn. If you're short on time but still expect fast results, it is the perfect fat-scorching workout, no equipment needed. This is BODi LAVA.